Assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to Bitwise Wonders. Today we have an important topic to discuss, and that is how to make sure your website is protected under HTTPS. In an era where online security is too much important, understanding and implementing HTTPS is crucial for your website safety and trustworthiness. So let's dive right into it. First of all, we discuss HTTPS. So, what is HTTPS? HTTPS stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure, and it's secure version of HTTP, which is the protocol used for transferring data between your website and your visitor browsers. In the last video, I discussed the difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Here I give you a link of that video. You can also check it out. So moving forward, why is HTTPS so important? Well, HTTPS provides three critical security layers for your website. First one is encryption, second one is data integrity, and the third one is authentication. First thing is encryption. It encrypts the data transmitted between the user's browser and your web server, making it virtually impossible for hackers to intercept and decipher. And the second one is data integrity. HTTPS ensures the integrity of data during transmission, preventing it from being tampered with by malicious actors. Okay, and the third one is authentication. It verifies your website identity to ensure visitors connect with legitimate server, not malicious. Now let's get to the heart of the matter. How do you know if your domain is protected under HTTPS? Here are the steps to check it. First of all, go to your web browser and enter your website URL, such as I'm writing www.youtube.com. And the next step is look at the URL. If your website is protected under HTTPS, you should see HTTPS colon backslash backslash at the beginning of the URL instead of just HTTP colon backslash backslash. The S here stands for secure, and it's your first indication that your website is using HTTPS. Here, the next step is look for a padlock icon in the address bar. Most modern browsers display a padlock symbol to indicate a secure connection. Click on it for more information about a website security certificate. To get even more details, you can click on the padlock icon and select certificate or certificate details. Here you can verify the certificate issuers, the validity dates and more. Make sure it's issued by a trusted certificate authority and has not expired. Here I'm writing some example website which is not secure, and I'm showing you it uses HTTP protocol instead of HTTPS, and uh, and it says your connection to this site is not secure. There are also many tools, online tools available, such as SSL checker or Wino padlock, which can also help you to analyze your website's HTTPS configuration and identify any issue. Here I am using first of all I am using SSL checker to ensure my website is secure or not. And now on Google, write why no padlock and click on the first website you see. When it opens, enter your domain name or website you want to check HTTPS configuration and hit enter. This will show you this website is secure or not. Lastly, it's not enough to set up HTTPS once and forget to about it. Make it a habit or regular monitor your website security. Renew SSL certificates before they expire and keep your website softwares and plugin up to date to minimize vulnerabilities. So there you have it. Ensuring your domain is protected under HTTPS is essential for safeguarding your website and building trust with your visitors. By following these steps and staying proactive about security, you can confidently provide a secure browsing experience for your users. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with others, and subscribe for more informative content. Thank you for tuning in to Bitwise Wonders, and we will see you in the next video.